The Karnataka BJP MLAs are protesting here in the assembly and they're sleeping overnight here against the Moda scam. They wanted a discussion in the House while the Speaker rejected the adjournment motion. Let me take you through the lounge. This is the lounge where all the MLAs are sitting. You can see all the MLAs. And let me try to speak sir, you're protesting here tonight and you're sleeping in the assembly. What is the main demand? Because the Speaker says that this is a judicial inquiry has already put in place. You can't discuss that.
Even though a judicial inquiry has been ordered, that doesn't prevent the House from discussing this relevant issue, because the House has got all the right to discuss about the Moda. It has got wider ramification, and the entire state was looking up to the assembly for the members to discuss about this present issue, what has really gone wrong, how the government has faulted, how the government has misused and abused the powers, and how it has not been accountable with regard to the Moda, how a Dalit land has been upspurred and looted by the, it has been alleged against the Chief Minister itself. Even though the land was denotification, the denotification is itself is questionable. And after that, the buying of that land, Dalit land by his own family members is questionable. Then the later transferring to his wife's name, then getting a compensation or allocation also not been done in the same locality. It's been done in a higher locality. All these things in the entire due course past spread over more than 15 years. They have completely misused the power, and the entire state was looking for the answer from the Chief Minister. Since the allegation is directly on the Chief Minister for misusing, abusing and looting the state's money, so he was not willing, and the Speaker has not allowed the discussion. So we need to protest this, and we are still demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister as well as the matter to be discussed in the floor of the House.
Thank you. And also let me take you to Mr. Bharat Shetty. He's also a member here in the BJP party as well. Sir, you're a legislator. You're also one of the MLAs who's sleeping in the House today, protesting against the whole Moda scam. What is your view? Because the Speaker has already rejected your adjournment motion.
See, all the BJP MLAs and all the MLAs of the JDS, as the NDA as a whole, we are doing this protest. We'll be sleeping overnight in the assembly hall only. What has happened is, in the assembly hall, when we asked for a discussion of this matter, he said we can't allow this. Even the ruling party, the Congress, the Treasury bench leaders also, they are trying to hide behind some flimsy technical procedural issues. They are saying there's a procedural lapse, so we can't let you speak about this or debate about this. See, it is very simple. If you have a clean hand, if there is no scam, what is wrong in debating? You are not debating, that means you are hiding something. So we know that there's a big scam now. They only have made it certain by not letting us debate that there's a big scam they're trying to hide up under the rug. So we are asking for the resignation of the present CM, and inquiry should be done without him being as a CM, because he himself and his family members are directly involved in the scam.
That was Mr. Bharat Shetty seeking resignation of the CM himself. You can see all the MLAs here on the couch as well. That is Vedras Kamath, and you have the former Home Minister Mr. Aragak Nanandra also seated here. All BJP MLAs and JDS MLAs are together here in the Assembly Lounge. They will be sleeping here as a protest this whole night, and also most likely tomorrow as well, is what we are told. Nagarjun Dwarkanath with Anaga Keshav for India Today.